Hey, Tim Euler here with 30 Madison Ventures. We help HVAC companies just like you scale, build, and sell the company for a lot of money. That's what we do, and we're helping over 15 different companies right now scale their EBITDA and profit so they can sell for a lot of money, and we're getting some really good results. So I want to go over a couple case studies today of what we're doing to scale these companies. So just a quick recap of what I'm seeing right now in private equity. If you're running about $1 million in profit, you can sell on an exit for between probably $7 million on an exit, right? If you want to roll $2 million to equity forward, you take a $5 million check. The $2 million that you roll, you can triple that roll on the second exit. So that's almost going to get you about $11 to $12 million on $1 million profit business. Pretty powerful, and it's like a generational wealth type opportunity I'm seeing right now in the HVAC market. But I want to show you two different case studies, actually three, of clients we're working with that we're scaling them right now. And I just want to hopefully this helps you guys think about what's possible right now with how powerful it is to get lead flow and the calendars full, right? So I'm going to open up our client Slack channel, right? So this is a company that we're scaling. They're about $5 million. We're helping them scale up to $8 million right now. And they just ran our third Facebook lead. We closed it, puts us at 66% close rate with a $15K average ticket. Unsustainable, but our boys are going to bring down the house if we can keep getting these leads right now. So he wants to fix his conversion and get it even better, right? That's a client that we're scaling. He's doing really great. They're really doing well. Second one, ran the second Facebook lead today and closed 16,000, right? So that's so powerful. Let me show you. I'm going to open up a Facebook campaign and show you what we're doing. And I've driven, just for kind of clarity, I've driven over $40 million in paid ad spend. I've done over $200 million in sales. And I've scaled 10 different companies to 8 figures. So, and I made a lot of mistakes figuring this out, and I've just done it for so long, I should be good at this. And we're really good at driving demand with copy, offer, message, video ads. We're really good at stopping the click and getting Facebook to really get some really powerful results. And the magic is in the copy, offer, message, and the structure of that, not running a Facebook ad. So it's that's how you can really scale fast if you can get those people on Facebook to stop the click and click your ad. If not, Facebook will not serve your ad, and we've seen that across the board. Look at this result. Pulled up another. This is a Facebook client that we're working with right now. They've got 71 leads at $9 a pop. $650 for 70 leads. How many 70? If I sent you 70 deals, how many would you close of those? Do the math. 10? 15? Do the math on your average ticket, and that's how much money you're leaving on the table by not driving leads and keeping the calendars full. That's how powerful this is, right? So that's one. Let's open this back up. So I'm going to click over here, and we're going to go to this. I'm going to open another one. 41 leads, right here. 41 leads, $15. If I send you 40 leads for $15, how many can you close? Make a lot more than $400 you spent to get them. Let's just put it that way. That's how you scale fast. I'm going to walk through the metrics and show you what this looks like actually in paper and driving EBIT and profit, right? So that's 71 leads at $9 a pop. There's clients. Here's another one at 41 leads. 21 leads, and we just kicked off. 21 leads again for this guy. 21 leads, client after client, $23 a pop, right? So if you're struggling with keeping your calendars full, right, awesome. If not, you're still leaving millions of dollars on the table. Because if you hired another company advisor in tech and you filled him with 3 sales calls a day and he could close a deal, how much money are you missing out? So that's how you scale up to $10 million. You got to look at this as every company advisor or tech that I can hire and have him running 3 sales calls a day, right? I'm making this amount of money. And you just replicate that system through lead flow. That's how you scale up to 10, 15, $20 million. One of my advisors is doing $45 million in HVAC, right? And he is doing over $10 million by himself, which is hard to believe. He's in the top 1% of all of service companies. This is the kind of numbers they're filling their calendars and they're closing deals, and this is kind of how we do it. So I'm just going to show you some great stuff. So this is what we're doing every single day. This is another one. We just got 8 booked appointments today, and they're just right out the very first day. 13 claims already, 1 booked. That's the first day we sent out the message. That's another database thing. So that's how powerful it is. Let's look at the actual Facebook metrics and how this looks, right? So I'm going to open up the account. Here's a Google Doc, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like on Facebook and how the metrics play out. So if you have, let's say we drive 10 appointments off of it. Let's say we drive 10 leads off of Facebook, right? And your booking rates, let's say We get 7 of them to answer the phone. Your booking rate, let's say you get 6 book calls, right? Out of the book calls that you get, right, you should be going to the house. Let's just say you're running a technician to the house to do a service call, right? Let's just assume these are kind of service-based leads. So 6 book calls, you're running a technician to the house that. Let's say out of those, you're getting 3 of those turned to actual sales calls with a comfort advisor, right? And with a comfort advisor, and in 1 closed deal out of 10 leads. And let's just say your average ticket is $10K. Because they say these are over 10-year-old systems. They have 3, the comfort advisor comes out, they close 1 deal at $10K, right? You get 10 leads. Let's just say it's $20 a pop. So you spent $200, right? $200, right, for that. You book 6 and you close 10. $200 to get $10,000. That's how powerful it is when you can drive leads, but you've got to know your KPIs. You got to know your numbers, right? That's why I see a lot of people, not only can they not drive lead flow, they don't know their KPIs behind the lead flow. And so if this is how I spent over $2 million a month on ads, is because I knew exactly what my cost per lead was, my value per lead, and then I just scaled it. And this is how you keep 3 or 4 comfort advisors full with appointments every single day. And if you say, oh, we're too busy in the season, then you hire 3 more comfort advisors, keep their appointments full. This is how you scale to 10, 15, 20 million, running a 20% profit. You got $3 or $4 million in EBITDA, and you're done. You're retired. You can sell out your company and do it that way. So anyway, this is exactly the numbers behind this, and this is what we're seeing with clients. We're scaling multiple clients right now. We're helping them drive more leads on Facebook and Google. We're helping them close at the house with a higher percentage. So that if they can get more leads and they can close at a 15, 20K average ticket, that's it. We're recruiting in some comfort advisors for certain clients so they can scale. Our main goal is we help you grow your EBIT and profit so you can sell for a lot of money. So anyway, look, if this sounds like you need help doing this, reach out to our team, reply to this email or video wherever you're seeing this at. Like, book a call. Let's just see, let's just look at your Facebook accounts, look at your marketing efforts, and see how we can work together and see if it's a fit. If not, no big deal, but book a call below. I'll talk to you soon.